This is the weekend weather briefing for May 9th through May 11th. This is Robert Moyeda, and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Miami, and we serve all of South Florida. A quick overview of the weekend weather. High pressure will dominate, and this will lead to mostly dry conditions, breezy east winds, and seasonably warm temperatures, with humidity levels still not all that high. We're talking humidity levels more in the moderate range. You see the forecast high temperatures there on the screen, upper 80s to lower 90s for the most part, except right along the Atlantic beaches. Highs will be in the mid-80s. And for lows, mainly in the 70s, with some 60s over the interior parts of the peninsula. Rain chances will remain low through the weekend. Beach and rip current conditions. We expect the east winds 15 miles an hour with some higher gusts. There will be an elevated risk of rip currents, so please use caution if you're going out to the beach this weekend. And for those of you with boating plans, seas will be 2 to 4 feet over both the Atlantic and Gulf waters, with inland and bay waters having a moderate chop. A little bit more detail on this weekend's weather. For both Friday and the weekend, high pressure will dominate the weather pattern. This high pressure area extending across Florida from the Atlantic Ocean will keep our atmosphere mostly dry and will continue to keep those east winds up. Any rainfall across the southeast United States will remain well north and well west of our area. Any rainfall this weekend will be relatively brief and on the lighter side. The map here shows the potential rainfall amounts for the Saturday and Sunday period, showing amounts generally about 1/10 of an inch or less across the area. And again, the rain chances this weekend will be low, probably no more than about 20%, and focused in the Saturday-Sunday period. We will see plenty of sun this weekend, and considering the time of year being in early May as we're getting close to summer, the UV index will be extremely high. In fact, that's the level that we're expecting for this weekend will be extreme. And these levels can burn sensitive skin in a very short period of time. So if you're going outside this weekend, please use sunblock to protect your skin. To summarize, mostly dry and warm weather to continue this weekend. We do have a slight chance of showers for Saturday and Sunday, but as mentioned previously, any rain we get will not last long, and for the most part, it will be a dry and mostly sunny weekend. Again, want to remind you about the elevated chance of rip currents this weekend, especially along the Atlantic beaches. Use caution and always swim near lifeguards. Thank you for listening to this briefing. For the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings, you can always visit our website, weather.gov/South Florida, and you can also find us on Facebook and Twitter.